kajingkran na imajuvian ibadai director barhaka jukopor ibalong ru i aktris na Vietnam. Iong ru bagi brio shillong kilong kibabha bagi baparya shibun. Bat kibam kidi ru kilong kibabang pha. Yang inyasngam kajingkran na imta.
Hello, my name is Mai Thu Huyền. I'm film producer, director, actress, business woman from Vietnam. It's the first time I come to Shillong, India, and I'm very happy to attend the Meghalaya International Film Festival to present my movie is Kill. I'm very happy because my movie received high appreciate and warm support from the audience in Shillong. In this Kill movie, I'm executive producer, director, and actress in this movie. Yes, when I come to Shillong, I can visit some beautiful place such as one lake and Lake Kayong. Yeah, it's very beautiful and I enjoy the local food. It's very delicious.
And how was the weather here?
The weather here is same in Đà Lạt in Vietnam. It's have 4 seasons. It's sunny in the morning and warm, the cold in the evening.
So you have been here so many days here. How was the people here after you meeting so many people here?
Yeah, I love people in Shillong. I have a new friend. Is volunteers very warmly familiar and they are very kind to help me, to support me and to pick me up to visit everywhere. Yeah, I'm very happy and thank you so much. Thank you, Shillong people.
Okay, so before you leave now, what do you want to say to all the people in Shillong?
Yeah, I want to say that Shillong is a beautiful city and I hope that I have many time to return to the Shillong and I will introduce Shillong to my friend and I want many friends in Vietnam and the other countries come to visit Shillong and
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for this interview. Thank you so much. Thank you in your work to be successful.
yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.